This vehicle delivers the style, comfort, and efficiency you need to meet the needs of today's lifestyle. Confidence comes standard when you're behind the wheel, prepared for the journey ahead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, panoramic roof, hands-free liftgate, navigation system, sun, moon roof, all-wheel drive, keyless entry. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.